Hello, I'm Nadine and a very warm welcome. So today's video is a little different because it's not a dessert recipe. I am going to show you how to recreate this. Look how pretty. So this has sort of an enchanted forest vibe, and this can be a backdrop to a dessert table, or it would just brighten up any space in your home. So let me show you how to do this. It comes together really quickly. Okay, so this is how we start. Now this is actually a shower caddy that you use in your bathroom. And this is one of those suspension rods. So, it doesn't matter how high your ceiling is, you can just adjust it and then just put it up. And then I'm going to start with wrapping this rod with some green ribbon. Now I've secured the top with some packing tape, and I'm just going to twirl this around. So this is done. We have a pop of green here. Now let me explain the wreath. So this is just a feather wreath. I think I got this at CB2. And then I have two sizes of these twig wreaths. And with these two shades of green ribbon, I am just going to cover these. The two shades just adds a little bit of interest, and I'm going to leave some of the twig part exposed because it's kind of pretty. So it's done. So we have the two-tone ribbons here and a little bit of the twiggy part exposed. Yay! Now I'm going to secure these wreaths to the stand with some clear fishing wire. This is like your best friend in situations like this because it's clear and it's so strong, and then they won't move. So now this middle wreath with the feathers, I'm not going to put the ribbon on it because it will ruin the effect of the feathers, and this is sort of standing out a bit. I have some dried amaranth here, so I'm going to add this to add a little bit of green and texture. I also have this lovely pink amaranthus, so I'm going to add this with some pop of color. Next step, we are going to add these beautiful butterflies. Look how pretty. So these come with this flexible wire, so they are very easy to attach. And I have two sizes, so these baby ones too. Now I'm just adding some flowers. These are some gorgeous lilies. So we already have these shells here, so it's nice to add some pretty flowers. I'm also adding these sort of moss frogs because they're so cute and I can't help myself. And that's it, it's done! Look how pretty! It's almost kind of like an enchanted forest vibe. Anyway, so you can replicate this whole thing or take just a few ideas from it. When I look at this, it makes me very happy. So I hope that it makes you happy too. This would brighten up any space in your home. So I really hope you try it. I'm going to be back soon with another video. So please remember to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss anything, and like the video and come say hi on Instagram as well. Until next time. Now I will just secure these wreaths with a little bit of this clear fishing wire. Okay. The wire fell off this.